Hello, my name is Kimberly Horn. The part of the funeral that I find most intriguing is the wake. The wake is a ritual that's performed after death. It's often used interchangeably with visitation or viewing. It is scheduled when the deceased is presented for viewing in a casket so that the family and friends can come together to pay their last respects to the deceased. The wake presents an opportunity to comfort the family in a more relaxed setting than the funeral service. A wake is not the same thing as a funeral or memorial service, which is more formal. It is a good opportunity to pay your respects even if you were not close friends to the deceased or their family. I really do enjoy listening to the stories of the deceased and how they lived their life. I get to hear how their lives affected the people around them and what impact they made in this world. It is quite interesting to hear how they lived their life and what the dash between their birth and death really represented. So for me, I get to enjoy listening to the people rekindle old stories and tell of their memories of the deceased person. The part of the funeral that I do find most interesting is the wake.